In front of me is REALME 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, like in my case, tap on this gear one instead. Hit voice typing and use gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!